Hello, this is our group member for this project. Miklin Jebon bin Maiman, Muhammad Akmal Hilham bin Ahmad Ruslan, Muhammad Nur Hilham bin Nordin, and lastly Muhammad Zikri Irfan bin Rozaidi. We will start this presentation now.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Muhammad Zikri Irfan bin Rozaidi. I am second year student from BPC and my magic card number is AP190470. So today I will present our group to present about the introduction of our project. So introduction is structural analysis is to analyze about the effect of the load applied to the physical structure and the components. Analytic structure is the most important thing to know because they have various structure related to the analysis, for example buildings, bridge, and ships and others. And for this project also, we carry out the structure, namely the railway bridge. To analyze the strength of the structure. This project also has to increase our knowledge about the structure analysis, the static, mechanical of the material, and also analysis of the internal and external strength as well as structure deflection can be made through modeling and simulation with the application such as Pro and AutoCAD. That's for the introduction. Next we go to structure. The bridge is built to function properly by being created according to specific dimensions. This is based on the design model of bridge. The length of the bridge is 1000 mm, the height of the bridge is 3000, and the for width is 2000. This bridge designed with the clear span between edge of supporting abutment, which is 8000 mm. There has two support for this bridge. First, pin support and two roller support. So this material to create this bridge is made by the steel because steel has extremely solid and also long-lasting properties. And the structure of type of the design is simply supported because no moment move in the supported. So the vertical force on the bridge becomes a flexible load on the beam, which is passed down the leg to the sub structure on each side.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ilham Mirundin. I'm a case card AP190239. Now I want to explain a little bit about our model bridge for our group assignment. Okay, this is our model. It's based on the weather truth. Okay, we need to use the LIMPRO to know the internal and external of the members and the deflection in the structure can be utilized. Okay, this is the requirement before model was created. First is the length of the model is 10 meter. Second is the span between the load supporting is 8 meter. The maximum width is 2 meter and height is 3 meter. Also, contact base area is 2 meter times 2 meter. The uniform distributed load on the bridge is 2 tons. And the size of the beam is universal column 305 times 305 times 283 mm. Okay, to determine the separation at the central span of a bridge under 2 tons, make sure to use the correct E value in the software of simulation. We use it here. Okay, next this is our model for our group based on the weight and thrust. Okay, I want to explain a little bit. Okay, this vertical we have used two types of support. The first is the vertical support, and the second is the beam support. The issue is the point. Every point connect with each other is 1 meter. Okay. Okay, meter. This is the analysis for static analysis for the base. Okay, for this show for the moment diagram, shear force diagram, eddy diagram, deflection diagram, and the draw direction. Okay, this is the tabulated result for this bridge. Alright. Okay, that's all for this explanation. Okay, thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Akmal Ilham bin Ahmad Ruslan. My matric number is AP190163. I will continue the part of this presentation. In this part, we have designed a model for the bridge using AutoCAD. So, this part shows the structure modeling for display for the design bridge, which is the length of this bridge is 10,000 millimeters, and for the height is 3,000 millimeters, and for the weight is 2,000 millimeters. This bridge design which the clear span between edges of supporting abutment, which is the length of it is 8,000 millimeters. In this bridge used to support, which is pin support and roller support. So this figure below show the structure drawing for the design model of the bridge. This figure show the front view of the bridge, the plan view of the bridge, the side view of the bridge, the 3D view of the bridge, and the last one is dimension of the bridge. Next, the material to design the bridge is made of steel. This is because steel has extremely solid and long-lasting properties. The I-beam height using for all members in this bridge is universal column, which is 305 millimeters multiply with 305 millimeters multiply the 283 millimeters. The load applied to this bridge is a uniform distributed load, which is 2000 kilogram mean to ton for the total length of this bridge. The structure type of this bridge of the design bridge is not as simply supported. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Miklin Jebon Bineman. My matrix number is AP190475. In our project, I will present about manual calculation. So the first step to find is determinant of thrust. And the formula that we use is M plus R equal to 2J. And the final result we get is M plus R is bigger than 2J. And so it will statically indeterminate thrust. And next we will find a reaction on support. So the final result we get is RAY equal is 9.805 kilonewton per m, and RBY equal to 9.805 kilonewton per m. Okay, the last part is we must calculate the internal force of each member. So we use a method of join. So we will find a member using a join A, join B, join H, join I, and all of the join this, and that's we will get the internal force for each member. And that's how we use the method of join, because we think that this design is suitable for this method. So this is the final result, and I put the symbol T for tension and C for compression. So that's all from my part. Thank you.
Hello, we meet again. So this time I will present about the recommendation of the bridge. First recommendation of our group is columns. Columns is a vertical support, a structure that used to hold up a bridge. It can be made of wood, steel, and also concrete. Columns is hammered into a soil, the bridge, until the end of reach the half layer of the compact soil and the rock below. Columns hammered into this deck grip and friction of the soil surrounding it to support part of the load of the bridge deck. The runway bridge needs strong columns as support. We recommend the T-shaped SRC columns because it has a good ceramic performance and that columns has high strength. This shape has offered significant flexible capacity on the flanges sides. That is for the columns. And the second recommendation from our group is beam. The structure components that resist load applied to it assist on the bridge we call beam. A beam is type of response to the force by bending in reaction to support the bridge. This proving the importance of a strong beam as the main support in the construction bridge. There has a three type of materials that use as beam, which is steel, concrete, and wood. we recommend the base being the concrete, specifically reinforced concrete, because although steel is well known to very strong base, this beam used to frequently um, by the trend, and the characteristic of steel being high maintenance will force more manpower to be used. Being exposed to air and water will not be benefits for the construction. So the base of reinforcement concrete is the information of combination of different material, which is steel and concrete. So that's all from me for this time. Thank you.